Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy duvet cover on TEMU for extremely cheap. TEMU is a shopping marketplace that delivers the product to the consumer directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So let's get started. So here we can see, here we have our TEMU.com. So here I would like to search for duvet cover. So here we have covers. So I will choose for the cheapest one. So I can see here the cheapest one available here is for $9.58. I will just click on this. Okay. So here we can see. So here we can see. So duvet cover is basically a cover for our bedroom bed. Okay. So it comes in different sizes. You can just select your preferable size: twin, king, full, queen size bed, and other sizes. So here we can scroll down, and here we can see some reviews also of the product. So from the detail we can see the length, width, and other things. So this pillow is very comfortable. This cover is very comfortable, and it's a better option. Okay, for the covers. So here the TEMU provides a shopping security guarantee, and you have a 90 days return policy and a free shipping and others. So you have to click on add to cart button. After that you can just click on buy button and follow the instruction to make the purchase. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save your money. Thank you for watching.